Hi everybody, my name is Adrian and today I will tell you how to make your videos more dynamic. The easiest way to hold the audience's interest is to make videos no more than 10 minutes long. The longer the video is, the more likely the viewer will lose attention. The shorter the video, the more likely people are to keep tuned in. But timing is not enough in itself. A video can be longer than 10 minutes and still be effective if it has one goal and no more than 4 concepts or ideas. With a large amount of information, even a 4-minute video will be ineffective. Don't forget that the first 10 seconds of a video are very important. They're key to holding your audience's attention. Sometimes they even determine whether your viewer will be engaged enough to continue watching or not. Also, use encouraging words, even if there's nobody there in person to answer you. Enrich your speech with expressions like, "Do you agree? What would be your reaction? Like and comment below," etc. So you need phrases that will engage the viewer and make sure that they're still listening. Next, change your position while filming. It may seem like this position on the left is the most convenient, but we'd like to recommend changing your position while recording a video. Do a couple of takes in the center or on the right, but you can continue using the position on the left for the rest of your video if it's best for you. In our studio, speakers most often stand, but if necessary, you can also record while sitting, especially if you need to use your laptop to share the screen while you're recording. Next, you can also use video interruptions. A video interruption may be a slide with the name of the next lesson, or a video clip that fits into the topic of your presentation is also suitable. Or you can use a full screen picture without a speaker. We'd like to remind you that you can use a touch monitor and work with the picture behind the scenes. This will make further editing even smoother. You can also use animations. We talked about these animations in detail in videos 2 and 3. You can also use an interactive presentation. Schedule a third of your presentation slides to be interactive. You may have to slide to right or move objects or use the visibility function. Pay special attention to which slides you plan to reveal the most complex information. Next, add music, if allowed. A well-chosen piece of music will add cool dynamic to your video. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye-bye.